Oops. Messed up. I forgot to shut off my fuel. So I'm gonna have to do that and restart it. Cool. Still works. Actually runs a lot quieter with the Rotella oil. Really, I'm noticing a difference right away. This is the Shell Rotella oil. And we had no smoke when we started it. Oh yeah, look at that stuff. This stuff's good. 5W40 synthetic. Just good to know it still works. This rusty tank. Alright, so what's going on here? Apparently our AC unit, our central AC unit's effed up. We don't have enough returns for the size unit. Whoever installed it was a bonehead. And I don't get involved in this shit. Should really learn it, but I don't want to go to school. Deal with knuckleheads. I'm DIY only. Yeah, so they screwed that up. And this is what, 5-month-old non-ethanol gas. And it started right up 2 pulls. So there you go. Freaking cool. So that's that. Rusty tank. Really have to clean it out better. Get those rust chips out. How am I gonna do it? Gotta drain it, I guess. Wash it out with soap and water. And put some more phosphoric acid in there and shake it all around. And turn it upside down and get the top half of it. Ghetto Wagon. Here's Costco's deal with the messed up wheels. I sanded them more. And they look even more worse. I actually used vinegar. It kind of takes a little more of the white off. They actually did this. They damaged this one. And they damaged that one too, so I got 3 wheels that are damaged now. You pay for a cheap job, you get a cheap job. It's ridiculous. Oh man. Costco, they also screwed me on eyeglasses. That was like last week. I had to go on a little ride. Maybe I'll link it. Clips from that, if I still have it. And my new glasses are messed up from Costco. They use inferior lens material. Think of like anything, camera lens, headlight lens, whatever, windshield. You never see a new windshield, how distorted they are. So they use inferior shit, and they sucked. Paid top dollar for the glasses and it's garbage. Well, that's what's going on with the corporations. They're screwing you over with the inferior stuff. And Generac, all I can say is put the what the hell is that shit? The magnetic drain plug, run Rotella oil in it, and put an NGK spark plug, and that's the best performance you're probably gonna get out of this thing. Yep. It runs so much quieter with the diesel oil. I just can't imagine it. It really sounds quieter. That's amazing. It's the oil to use.